Hi, I'm Danella Hellenkamp, Doctor of Audiology from Triangle Hearing Services, and today I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how to change a Saru shield on the newer Marvel hearing aids that came out early 2019. So the way that you change the wax guard on this hearing aid is, if you've got the little retention piece, hold on to that with your thumb and index finger, wiggle the little dome off. What we're going to be changing out is this tiny little wax guard that's inside of the receiver of the hearing aid. So you open up your little box, and inside that little box is a little disc. What you do is you put your thumb on the little arrows and rotate it in the direction that the arrows show, and when you rotate it around, you will get on your number 1, there's nothing there. Number 2 will have a new little white wax guard in there. What you're going to do is you're going to take your receiver and go to number 1, which shows a little trash can, and you're going to literally stick it in there. You can kind of hear or feel it snap. Pull it out. It leaves the old wax guard in there. And then what you're going to do is take, again, your receiver, go to number 2, again, snap it in, pull it out, and it removes the wax guard and puts it into the tip of your hearing aid. Then you are going to take your little dome and wiggle it back on to the end of the receiver. There are some hearing aids that were manufactured prior to this that use a different little wax guard, little sticks. So if you're not sure which wax guard yours use, give our office a call or look in your initial little bag that has what type of wax guard that your particular device uses. If you have any questions, give our office a call, 919-636-3006. Thank you.